while. I'm trying to keep the shadow off my face because it is evening. I went to Aldi today, and a good friend of mine gave me a ride to Aldi, and I will tell you that this evening the store was extremely vacant. And I mean with people and with some items. So I may be going back to Wally World this week for another trip over there, but it's not a big deal. It's not for a whole lot. I did get the majority of what I needed. I go to Aldi to get a lot of meat and to get the things. It's like sometimes you go to Aldi's and you collect all this stuff that you don't really, can get. Sometimes you can't get it at Walmart. So then I'll go to Walmart and get the things I can't get from Aldi. And I feel like I might be playing that game this week because the stores here have been a little scarce on things. When I went to Walmart last time, they did not have any butter. I got the last pack of the Imperial margarine. There was no other butter. It was the craziest thing I've ever seen. I've never seen that in a store before. But anyway, I'm going to show you guys in this Vlogmas what I got. And I hope you guys enjoy this haul. I'm going to show you what I bought from Aldi. All right, here is my table of goodies over here. And just real quick, I will show you what I bought. This was about $119. So if you guys want to know about what I spent, which isn't too bad when you take in consideration the amount of meat I bought tonight. So I got a thing of Sprite because I like to drink a Sprite every once in a while. Ronnie likes a Sprite, but I usually don't ever buy it. But Aldi is really good for carrying Sprite and Coke and Diet Coke. And I got us a Sprite just to have a little extra soda in the house. Got these are their brand of pizza rolls. We like them on occasion. A couple things of bacon. Humongous thing of hash browns. These are like the hash browns that they have at McDonald's. Love these things. Love them. And I just put them in the oven and bake them till they're nice and crispy and brown. They're delicious. Whole milk. An orange juice. Got a thing of mayonnaise. I did get an extra thing of eggs. I didn't really need eggs, but I do have some baking planned still yet this week. And I thought, you know what? I'll just go ahead and get the eggs. So we've got some salsa here, and we've got some pineapple slices because this is going to go on our Christmas ham. Got some, hot dogs, some ham lunch meat, 2 things of the hot Italian sausage. I bought this pack of meat because I'm going to make a meatloaf tomorrow. Just going to put this in the refrigerator and it'll be ready to mix up for tomorrow. A pack of family size pork chops. There is my ground beef. I will be sectioning that off tomorrow. I got some chicken tenders, which I was thinking maybe fajitas. That is the easiest way to make fajitas, is just to get those and cut them up into little pieces. I bought, 1, 2, 3, 4 things of tuna fish. I'm going to try to turn this can around so you guys can see the tuna fish I bought, because I know you guys like to see. Got a package of applesauce. Roddy doesn't like applesauce, and I do. And anyways, I eat it on occasion, and I keep it cold in the refrigerator, and I love it. Couple cans of pink salmon, because we love it. Some packages of taco seasoning, as well as some flour tortillas. Got this dry salami. Does this not look delicious? Anyways, that's kind of a Christmassy thing that I bought. It just looked amazing to me. Some bagels, because I have some whipped cream cheese that I need to utilize that's in my refrigerator. And I just got the blueberry bagels. Also got some sour cream. A thing of creamy peanut butter, because I've used a whole lot. 2 things of biscuits. This is their biscuits, I think. Is it their biscuits? No, they're Pillsbury biscuits. Yep, got their Pillsbury brand biscuits. I think that's all they had. Then we had the Pillsbury cinnamon rolls. Thought that might be good for one morning, maybe Christmas morning. Got 2 of the yellow, classic yellow, because I'm going to do some cookies out of these. You all have seen me make peanut butter cookies, but this time I'm going to make them into peanut butter blossoms with candy kisses in the middle. Love those. This is a thing of quick oats, because I went through a lot of oatmeal whenever I was making, what was I making? My cowboy cookies take a generous amount of oatmeal. And so I love to eat oatmeal on a really cold day. I wanted to go ahead and restock on that so that I had it. I bought these for Ronnie. He loves cashews and they were on sale. So I got 2 of these for him because he loves cashews. And I was going to wrap them up and give them to him as a gift, but actually I'm not. I'm just going to let him have them. Some vegetable oil, 2 things of mild cheddar, the tortilla. These are the strips. Love these. These are so good. Got some oranges. Got a package of oranges because it's that time of year when you need some extra vitamin C. And I'm going to be doing something with the peels and make the house smell Christmassy. I'm hoping it'll work out. Anyways, I did buy this, but I don't think I'm going to be getting into these until the first of the year. But I did get me some protein shakes. I'm going to put them in the refrigerator. I see a lot of people drink these, and I am going to go on a little bit of a health kick after Christmas and try to shimmy down some of my weight gain that I've had. And protein shakes have become very, very suggested for breakfast. So I'm going to try these. We'll see how those do. I've never had those before, so let me know if you've ever drank these before. I've seen people like mix these with their coffee in the morning and make like a giant chocolate coffee latte-like thing, or iced coffee. Let me know if you use these and how you use your protein. So that is all that I bought. Didn't buy anything that was not food related. They really didn't have much. It kind of was kind of sad. I kind of took a browse through their Christmas stuff, but they had a lot of advent calendars, but it's kind of late to get into those, and unless you want to put them up for next year. But they had some really cute ones, like 12 Days of Christmas, and those would have been really cute to like put up for next year. It's like 12 days of ornaments. That was really cute. That'd be really cute for a little kid if they had like their own little Christmas tree in their room. I thought, you know, if I had little kids, that's what I would do. But anyways, this is all I bought. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm going to flip the phone around here. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I purchased. I'm looking a little windblown tonight. It is 28 degrees here, and it is super, super, super duper cold. And it's going to get colder. That's why I really wanted all these trips to the grocery store to be over, because I just want to stay home where it's warm. But we'll see what happens. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, okay? The subscribe button is down below somewhere. Hit the bell so that you know when I put out video content. Be sure to join me because, because I want you to be here to watch me and be part of Heidi's home. Thank you so much for watching. And you know what? I hope you guys have a fantastic Christmas. And I will be seeing you all again soon. Bye, guys.